Well, again, I think that what we have in place is an infrastructure whereby there are tutors, assessors who can conduct assessments through the medium of Welsh, and indeed Welsh learners can engage with the language through short courses and upskill their knowledge in order to improve their skills. Welsh Government has really given us the steer on this, and the Minister's remit letter really has acknowledged the fact that progress in a bilingual society, the contribution to a Welsh economy, is very much wrapped up in a knowledge and an empathy with the language. And as I say, some of the developments now through our Welsh Language Commissioner in seeding the Welsh language into all of our frontline services is perhaps raising awareness that training without an element of Welsh is probably not as valuable as engaging with the language through your training, and we hope that will encourage more and more learners to engage with the language.